Hello,
Hello. Hi. How are you?
I am good, thank you. How are you?
Good. Very well, thank you. Very well. What's your name?
My name is Mohammed Ramzan.
Mohammed Ranzan. Very nice to meet you. And
Yes,
where are you calling from?
I'm calling from India.
Ah, very nice. My name is Gemma, and I'm calling
Mhm.
from the UK. I'm from the UK.
Okay,
Very,
great. So,
very nice to
yeah,
meet
yeah.
you.
Yes, basically, I read your profile, and in that, I was thinking that yeah, there was mentioned that you are so fortunate that you visited 35 countries.
Yes. Yes, I have.
So, so you would have a great experience after visiting all those. So, yes, I am also interested to do something like that. But you should just help me to know about the better experience, and even also, I wanted to discuss about this specific. I mean, traveling.
Ah, okay. Have you traveled outside of India?
No, not yet.
No, not yet, but you want to, and you will do.
Ye- Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. And whereabouts in India are you?
I am in Jammu and Kashmir. That is north part of India.
Yes, yes. I have wanted to go to Kashmir for a long time. Uh, I have
Okay,
I've been to India 5 times, but just the south. So
okay, great.
Mumbai and south, but never north. So yes, I would like to do that. But yes, travel. It has been very difficult to save money, but we save everything we can, and
Uh-huh.
then we are able to travel. So
Yes, yes.
do you have any specific questions about it?
Yes, I want that you should ask me few questions, and I will be
Okay.
giving you the quick replies. So in that way, I will be able to practice my quickly. And I wanted to keep it little advanced.
Ah, okay. So you want it advanced, or you want to advance?
Yes, yes,
Yes. So can you tell
yes.
me where you would like to go? Where would you like to visit?
Yes, currently I'm to visit UK or maybe USA.
Ah, okay. And what interests you about
Yes.
both countries?
Yes, actually, by profession, I am a software developer. So I am thinking
Ah,
that if I will be in the Silicon Valley or that type of city and working with those professionals who are having a broad experience, and they are also working on latest technologies. So definitely, if I will be there, then I will have a lot of learning among those if I'm living in that environment. So that matters a lot for me.
yes, definitely. I mean, if you go to the UK or America, so Silicon Valley, it will be very
Uh-huh.
multicultural. You will meet people from all around the world. And with
Yes.
your profession, you can go anywhere in the world. You can.
Yes,
Any,
yes.
you have a good profession that will allow you to go where you want.
Yes,
So,
correct.
yeah, yeah. So you want to go to Silicon Valley, and do you want to travel around, or do you just want to be in a specific place?
Yes, I wanted to travel around, but yes, that would be related to my profession. I mean, the only purpose should be related to my profession. Like I am doing software development, so if I am visiting somewhere, then there must be a public speaking seminar or something like that where I am presenting something and inspiring the people. So that type of feeling I am expecting from myself.
Ah, good, good.
Yes.
So you would be able to get a work visa and stay for
Yes.
as long as you wish.
Yes.
Yeah.
I will try to. Yes.
Can you hear me? I think there is a little delay.
Yes. I can hear you clearly.
Good. So, whereabouts in the UK would you like to go?
Actually, I have created a company over there, so that is not a specific purpose. But I already mentioned you that related to my profession, I am interested to visit a specific city where I could uh, means live with those people who are with the same profession and they are working on advanced technologies.
Yeah. So, sorry. When sorry, I can hear myself when I talk, and it's very off-putting. I'm really sorry.
Okay.
What was I going to say? Yeah, there's so many cities in the UK that you can go to do what you want to do. So, do you work from home at the moment?
Yes, I have my own office and I am working from home right now.
So that's perfect. You are not location dependent. I love it. Yes, this is
Yes,
why I decided.
always remote.
Yeah, this is why I decided to do Cambly, because you can be anywhere in the world. So
Yes.
what's can you tell me about? Just tell me a little bit more about yourself.
Yes, I am developing mobile apps and website. So I have clients from, I mean, around the world. That is like different countries, from Europe, from Australia, from US, and I'm working for them and delivering the projects. And yes, other than that, I am also developing my own product. I have my own website, which is keywords.com, keywords.com. So I have developed a lot of useful tools over there, and those are helpful for everyone. And nowadays I started working on mobile apps, so around 40 apps I have targeted.
Wow.
So in 20, yeah, in 2021 I will be more focused on my own product, and I am investing some time towards my health and towards my freelancing projects.
Good. So you say you've developed how many apps?
Around 40.
40. Wow. Oh my goodness. And are they all successful?
Yes, those are most demanded right now.
Yeah.
And not available on the Play Store and Apple Store. So I have that type of idea in which I am developing, and those are actually required in the marketing field. So that's why I targeted that.
Oh, amazing. So I have no idea how to even contemplate making an app. What can you tell me?
Yes.
Tell me what's involved?
Yes, that is related to coding. So if we are learning other technologies like HTML, CSS, then JavaScript, then Ionic, React.js, so there are a lot of stuff. So according to the need, I am just choosing a specific technology, and then after developing those things, I have my computer and laptop, and on the computer, I am developing mobile apps because there is a heavy load on that while rendering. So yeah, in that way, I continue with this.
Amazing. That's incredible. And do you ever get people requesting for you to make an app for them, or are you just making apps for yourself?
Yes, correct. Actually, I am working in the complete day. I have divided the time in which I am working on the projects which are given by other clients, and rest of the time I am working on my own projects. like my own personal website, my own personal mobile apps. So in that way, I'm trying to manage the time and making it more productive.
Ah, so you kind of do half for other people and half for yourself.
Yes,
Yeah.
because at the moment I have to manage my expenses by doing some projects which are from other clients, like from Europe, from Australia, from US. There are a lot of people. I have also joined some freelancing platforms, and over there the people are and I have my YouTube channel as well, and I try to solve some technical issues. So those people who are watching my videos and they convinced by my technical expertise, and they just connect me through email or maybe WhatsApp, and then they give me the project and I try to deliver them.
Wow, you are a very, very busy man.
Wow. Yes, correct.
So you are networking in many different ways, and getting your name out
Yes,
there.
yes, yes.
Yeah, wow, that's amazing. And how your YouTube channel, how is that? Do you make any money from your YouTube channel?
Yes, yes, I make money around $2,000 each month.
Wow. Is that from affiliate
Yes.
marketing, or just from people
Yes,
requesting your business?
yes, from the ad revenue only. This is from ad revenue only, and other than that, I also connect with other clients. There are a lot of clients to who I am working permanently, so that money is extra. I mean, I am connecting through my YouTube channel, but then after I become independent and deliver them the project and support them technically.
Ah, so it's a mix. You get the revenue a mix from both. And what's your YouTube
Yes,
channel
yes.
called? I'm interested.
That is amazing learning.
Amazing learning. Amazing. I'm going to check it out
Yes.
after, if you don't mind.
Yes, sure,
Amazing learning. That's it on YouTube.
Yes, that's
Okay,
it.
perfect. Yeah, we have a number of platforms that you can advertise yourself. Are you on Fiverr? Have you heard of Fiverr?
Yes, I am working on
Yeah.
Fiverr
So do you
already.
get a lot of business from Fiverr?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Around $500 I earn from
Yeah,
that.
I've seen it.
I
Sorry.
yes, sell some services over there.
Yeah, so you have a number of different platforms you're on to advertise yourself.
Yes, 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 correct. I am just using all the things which are possible for me right now, and try to sell my services and try to use my skills actually.
Ah, yeah, that's amazing. Just get yourself out there, and then the whole
Yes,
world will know about you.
yes, because this is my startup, and you already know that starting journey is little difficult because we don't know anyone else, and there are people who will never trust us because we haven't done anything bigger. So that's why we need to start with the things which we have available,
Exactly.
and accordingly we grow.
Yeah,
Yes.
sometimes you have to offer your services at a lower rate, so then you will get the business,
Yes.
and
Yes.
then you can put it on your
Yes.
portfolio.
Correct. Yes. Yes. You
Yeah,
are
and
right.
then once you have word of mouth, then this is amazing. Word of mouth.
Nobody can start.
Yeah,
Yes.
nobody can stop you. You can just go anywhere. Oh my goodness. Well, I wish you well, and I really hope that you get to go, or you get to come to the UK, or go to the
Yes.
USA, and fulfill your dreams. And maybe I'll
Yes.
see you in
Sure.
the
Sure.
future on television or something. Maybe you become famous.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. Yes, that is really, yes, really. I will be doing a lot of stuff in my life, and definitely you will see me on the
Hey,
television.
yeah, I hope so. Visualize it and it will happen.
Yes, dream, dream,
Exactly.
dream.
Nice to meet you. Okay, bye.
Okay, thank you. Bye.